Everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to remove and replace the battery. This is a 2018 Honda Odyssey. Tools needed are only two. You need a socket wrench, 10mm, and a screwdriver. So first thing we need to do is remove this cover. Put this in. Just pull this side and slide it out. There you go. See, the tabs will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're missing one. The one here is missing. Where is it at? Oh, it must have fallen somewhere because it's not here anymore. Oh well, so it's missing one. This was missing one. Next, using your screwdriver, remove these two plastic screws here. Don't lose it. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Now remove this intake. That's easy. So you just go here, remove it. Here's the battery. Loosen this thing here, 10mm again. And forget this little cable. There's a cable here. Just pull that out. Come on. No, oh, there you go. Don't forget to put that back. You don't have to take it all the way out. You just loosen it. And there's a hook, see? Where am I? Where? So there's, okay. Alright, so there's hooks in them here, and this one goes into the hole there. That hook goes in here from the inside out. To remove the battery, when you're removing the battery, loosen the negative terminal first. So, the one here. Come on. I used to tighten. There you go. Move it away. Now positive. Now when you install it, you do the reverse. Alright. Check the terminal, make sure they're clean. If it's dirty, then you clean it with a wire brush. And this is a cover, so remove the cover. Tight. Remove the battery. Here's my other battery. It's a 86 Group 48 and it's AGM. This is a replacement battery from before. I got it from Costco. This is an AGM one, and the one my wife got is a non-AGM one. But the original battery was non-AGM, so it should be okay. And you put the new battery, make sure you clean that your battery compartment. Look at how dirty it is. So, clean it. Alright, so here are the batteries. This is the new one, this is the old one, this is the AGM, the one I bought previously from Costco, and this is the newer one that my wife got. This one has cold cranking is 770, and this one only has, oh, this one has 760, so just only 10 difference. Anyway, if you're gonna get a battery, I recommend get the AGM one. All right? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna have a hard time putting this cover again. Look at that cloud. Pick up the wrench over there. Oh, I'm not picking it up. Hey, that was easier than I thought. So I end up removing this cover here from the intake because I dropped my I dropped my wrench down there. So, ta-da! Okay, so this one goes into the hole that I showed you earlier. There you go. Now it's flat. Make sure it's flat. So put this in the hole. And the other side. And tighten it first. Now with your 10mm wrench again, tighten it. Oh, good. That's tight. Don't put it here. Now, for installing the now for the wiring, put the positive first. Now If your terminal is dirty, clean it. I did not push it all the way. Okay, the negative. Put that there. Yeah, I put tape in this because this thing broke off. Now, negative. Sure it's all the way in. Sturdy. Okay. Now this little piece here, put it in there. Now time to put this back. I had to end up removing it because I messed up. So it goes under here. This thing goes under. And push. Push. Okay. Now this thing goes here. Push. Okay, now time to start the car. Alright, I just put the cover back on. I forgot to video it. Anyway, you just push. Okay? You just push. That's it. That's all you need to do. Push. And if you wanna do, I have a video. I'll put a link on the video, the description below, how to remove this one and install. Alright? Sorry. I messed up. I forgot to record. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.